All right, guys, welcome back to another video. This is a bonus setup. I haven't taught this anywhere, not in 4D nor here. It's called the QM wave, and basically it's a momentum move, sort of similar to a QMX, except it doesn't require the trend line. Instead, it just requires the market to be trending in a downtrend, right? So you can see we have a downtrend here, and we have this wave. Okay, so when you're looking at this particular setup, you have to think in waves, right? So market is moving down, and then what you're going to see is a blip, right? So as the trend is moving, you're going to see a blip, and then this is going to lock in these trades, right? You're going to have an engulfing pattern. So all these traders that tried to go long, they just get trapped, okay? And then the wave continues downwards. Okay, this is one of my favorite setups, especially with NAS, because this happens quite often, as you'll see the trend forming, and price just makes a little blip, which is a continuation of the wave, and you'll see it coming down and then retest and then drop. Okay, so you can see that this candle is our higher time frame engulfing pattern right here. We have our wave formation. We have momentum coming to the downside, and then a short blip, and then a quick retest. Okay, typically on the lower time frames on M1, you're not going to want to wait a couple days for this. If you're on like H1, M30 or something, wait like maybe a day or two, depending on the time of day that it's happening. But typically you want that quick retest. So once it breaks the structure and closes below, you want the next couple candles to come back and tap into this, or if there's some sort of news event that's appearing in the direction of the trend, and then the news comes out and it pops up, trapping traders in, and then mitigating this OB or whatever you want to call it, and then dropping for further continuation. The whole idea is the momentum of the move, then the quick blip, and then the continuation of the trend. So let's look at this in a real chart example. Let's go here. I'm going to show you a gold example and then a NAS example. Okay, so here we have a trend forming, right? We have a trend and dropping and then continuing. Okay, so you can see here we have that blip in it, and then it comes back up, retests it, and then drops. If we drop down to a lower time frame like M5, you can see this happening right here. Okay, so on M5, we have our downtrending market, right? It's a pretty clean trend, and then blip, and then drops, retests the QM there, and then continues for 150 pips. Okay, so it's very simple. Just confirm it with an engulfing pattern. We look over here on NAS. Let's look at an hourly time frame real quick. Okay, you can see how we're starting to trend down here, and then we have our blip, and then it comes and then tests it and then continues dropping. So if you imagine this like a wave, it's coming down, up, down. Okay, sorry, here. Okay, and then we have that retest. So we're literally catching the wave. Okay, so you can take these as continuation setups. So basically, when you start recognizing it and you start seeing the nuances in the market, you'll see the market start trending almost in a very orderly fashion, where it's just making lower lows and lower highs, or higher lows and higher highs. And then you'll see this one blip in price like this, like boom, and then you'll get that retest on that wave. Okay, and it's pretty much damn near perfect.